It's a weird design. Dude, it's daylight. Clearly. And like, you are still fighting mosquitoes off in the damn 90-degree weather. Are you kidding? Not at all. Oh, so that's... Oh, not exactly a sinkhole. That's a river. And here, if we keep going forward, we're going to walk through the spiders once again. So we did that already this direction. And we definitely did that way down there. No question about that. The phone got too hot. I had to put it away. Oh my gosh. Like, these mosquitoes are already enough is a fucking enough. And like, how about just treat me for the, shit, I'm about to do it again, dude. Am I just as stupid all the time? Gosh, dude, you gotta combat them.